Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve the terminal error problem in Visual Studio Code. So let's check the problem first. As I am typing live server, so I got this problem that server cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. To enable that problem, we need to go to our Start, Windows, PowerShell and run it as a administrator. Okay, it's demanding permission from me. Okay, as you can see, Windows PowerShell is open. Now we need to put a command for that so that we can enable it. So I'm pasting that command. That command is set-execution-policy -execution-policy unrestricted. For remove restriction, we are using here unrestricted. If you want to restrict that, you can use there restricted. Now pressing enter. Don't worry, this command is in description box I also. So for confirmation I am pressing Y for yes and enter. So you can see that I am unrestricted that problem. So let's go to check that. Now I am checking live server. Okay, it's running. That means our problem is solved. It may take some time. Okay, as you can see that server is started in my PC. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe